So what you can also do is save images to Google Photos directly by using a plugin. So to do that, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto Chrome Web Store. So I'm in my Google homepage, or what you can also do is from Google Photos right here, you can simply go around over here onto Chrome Web Store right here. You can also access the Chrome Web Store by going to chromewebstore.google.com, and once you do that, you can simply go ahead and type in save image to Google Photos. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that there's an extension right here. So let's just go ahead and add this to Chrome right here, just like this. So this is an extension that I have. And once that is done, you can see that this is what you have. Save photos to Google Photos is an option right here. So once you go ahead and install this, what happens is that when you right click, you have an option to actually go ahead and save this to Google Photos. So now, for example, I'm going to go around onto pixabay.com, let's say for example, and let's say I want to save this photo to Google Photos. So let me just go ahead and open this. And now once I go ahead and right click, you can see that save to Google Photos is an option. And once you go ahead and do that, you're prompted to sign in with your Google account in order to actually go ahead and then give Google Photos access to this plugin. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have. So now you can simply right click and click on save to Google Photos, and what happens is that it will be synced onto Google Photos now. So let's just go ahead and refresh, and you can see this photo right here. So now what you can simply do is you can go ahead right here onto another image right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around onto another image. This is a music playlist right here, so let's just go ahead onto another image right here, and I'm going to right click and click on save to Google Photos, and then it'll be synced up into Google Photos right here in a while. So it says image saved to Google Photos. So let's just go ahead and refresh, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can save images directly to Google Photos by using a plugin as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.